In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an appointment on Acuity Scheduling, a handy tool for managing your schedule efficiently. Whether you're a business owner managing client bookings or simply someone trying to keep track of personal appointments, having the ability to cancel appointments easily is an invaluable skill. First, let's start by heading over to Acuity Scheduling. Open your web browser and navigate to the Acuity Scheduling website. Once you're on the home page, make sure you're logged into your account to access all the functionalities you need for appointment management. If you aren't logged in, simply use your credentials to sign in. Next, you'll want to click on the calendar from the main menu. This is where you can view all the appointments that have been scheduled. The calendar is designed to give you a clear overview of your upcoming engagements, making it easy to manage and modify your schedule as needed. Now it's time to find the specific appointment you wish to cancel. Scroll through your calendar to locate the desired appointment. You should see a list or a grid of your appointments displayed, and you can click on the relevant date or time block associated with the appointment you want to cancel. Taking the time to ensure you've selected the correct appointment is crucial, especially if you have multiple similar bookings. Once you've selected the appointment, look for the cancel option. This is typically included among several other options like rescheduling or modifying details. Clicking on cancel will initiate the cancellation process. It's a straightforward step, but it's important to ensure that this is indeed the appointment you wish to cancel to avoid any scheduling mishaps. Finally, confirm the cancellation by clicking on Cancel Appointment. This final step ensures that the appointment is officially removed from your schedule. Often, this action might prompt a confirmation dialog box asking you to ensure that you want to proceed with the cancellation. Confirming this ensures that your appointment will not take place, freeing up that slot in your schedule. By completing these steps, you'll have successfully canceled an appointment using Acuity Scheduling. Remember, always double check to ensure you've selected the correct appointment to prevent errors. This not only keeps your schedule accurate, but also maintains professionalism when managing client appointments. I hope you found this guide helpful. Make sure you're mindful of your rescheduling policies, especially if you're managing appointments for a business, as this demonstrates respect for both your time and your clients. Thank you for watching, and if you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out in the comments below.